People just dey shocked o because wetin dem see 4 cats, pussycat o and snake inside person motor. Hey, this one surprise me. This one na inside person jeep for Edo State. Witches at work. E be like say na just start na new agenda. Now God just save this woman because they talk say this woman jeep now she dey use take carry her children go school. I no know where they dey go. I no know wetin even make her just go open this motor. Before she go see mysterious things, now she just dey see 4 different pussy cats and they catch inside this motor. My people abeg make na use na eye see for una sef.
Snake and 4 pussy cats for inside one motor. Is that possible?
This snake is which motor?
See the motor here. This jeep. And Sabisa Forest is the motor be Sabisa Forest. You see?
Wait. The man you make to
Snake. You never see wetin?
The key one cat for inside this hole.
Jesus.
With all this. For inside where?
Inside this hole na this door hole.
How come the thing enter?
Snake and 4 pussy cats.
Inside
one motor. Na collabo dey do collabo.
No. Let a poor chemical.
Don't see what is going on. We thank God for the family. This woman they use this motor carry children go school. Go drop them, come carry them. So as you just drag come front of church now, now the snake fall down. Ah wow. This one dey only one motor. Wetin you call the house? Which one dey house?
In fact, everything wey I fit reason this woman village people they don't dey follow her. Because I no even wan fit think and say how cats make I even talk say okay snake they get as they squeeze their body maybe they don't use corner enter through somewhere they enter inside this motor. But abeg cat I no be one cat o 4 cats at the same time they come enter the other sef suppose reason and say this one na witches at work. Na spiritual power na this woman suppose go church. Go dey pray bia na fasting and prayer bia na select church you go go sit down there. Do 10 days fasting because this one e no dey natural at all. I sure say your village people they send these things so that maybe in case you see them, maybe out of fear or panic now go get accident. Abi maybe this snake or something go just use and bite on kill on for the family. Because nothing will feel reason Edo people una dey see wetin I dey do. I dey hear say juju dey but in fact I no dey believe. Now this one I make me believe am. But abeg aunty make me sef ask one question. Abeg when you park this motor put, make no go be say you go park am inside one forest. Now make all this kind snake wan enter. But abeg make una think am. Even if snake fit enter, abeg how cat sef fit enter? Na tire the cat pass enter be how? Me I don reason all this kind. I no even know as I wan take reason. My people sef wey dey watch abeg wetin una think say happen for here? Which kind solution be this one? Abi na which kind problem be this one? Because everything to me na winch. Na juju na dey involved in village people don time as okay o be like say you dey live one kind comfortable life make we help you destroy am small. And see na wetin these people reason. Because person no go dey use your money buy better jeep. Wey no be say one kind kpafo elele motor na dey use better motor na person dey use. Wey be say evil spirit sef still come get mind enter. It means our Nigerian witches una dey do well. In fact, una power e pass power. I no know someone take. My people abeg wetin una sef think about this whole thing. This one wey happen wetin na reason? Na winch o abi no be winch? Abi fit be scientific reason because some people say cats dey fit squeeze theirself but me I no fit reason am. Anything wey na feel make na sef write am inside the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I go see una for the next video. Dem don force Unilag students to say make everybody pack their load comot from the school. Say because of what say COVID don dey on the rise inside the campus. Hey, I think say corona don go. I can't dey surprise say they come bring this one sef come outside o. But anyways, we gonna say a member of the Senate for the university na them come together come make this decision. Say they notice say coronavirus, some students don't catch coronavirus. Where na for catch am from sef? Nobody know. So because of that one, they come carry all of them. Say they won't sack them. So maybe they go. But as I reason this thing, sacking of these students don't be the solution. Because now if na say make dem comot from this carry am now they go come carry that disease go their house carry am go dey give people wey be say they no get am before now they go come carry am go. But wetin surprise me na if na see as they pack dem these students like people wey dey just deport from Niger see as they gather their self na self go surprise. Abeg make una follow me watch.
La casa de los páginas because of corona. This is more involved.
And I don't see abi. But as for me, vacating then these people, in fact, na the wrong move. Abeg, wetin happen to the whole COVID wey we dey shout about? No be una dey talk about quarantine. They talk about isolation center. Why be say una no bundle dem these students? Go put them for the isolation center. Make they get the requirement test. They go test them. Be na wetin they wan do for them. Make they do am for them. Now, na cause make they dey pack them. Make they dey go house. Make they carry the disease go take dey spread. Now all these kind of decisions when are they taking? Now they make students they go remain for one level for 10 years. Since 2019 where COVID, in fact, back 2019 I be when. Now some students don't dey for house so they no go school. Now when we say students don't think and say they don't start, now they even pity they need students. You know tell them say carry their bag come school don't resume, they won't start. You don't enter and ahead again, now those make they pack and go. Carry their load again, they go house. I beg which year they won't come graduate? Which year they won't come out from this school if now so now when they do now own running of school? The one who come surprise they say okay, say make students no fear, say lectures no go, they go they teach them online virtually, they go hey. Students will be say that their class that they face lecturer will teach from morning to night, they don't even understand. In our country say now online class, this one even surprise me. Because students even there, see, common data some students no get. Especially when you can't go do mistake, go they use Glow network. By the time where teacher go they teach, the teacher go hang for there. So by the time where the students go even come back, lecture don't close. So I beg now this kind of lecture, now this kind of virtual teaching, then I come reason say then these students want they go. I'm not sure say this one go work. If say now abroad, we will know say yes. Internet no they fail, no they break, and hang, I go bring down. Not be inside Nigeria where we say we know say this our internet self is no good. But on top of all, these students where they sack, on I know say some. They no go even go house. Ile boyfriend here, na boyfriend house, now they won't go stay for. They don't see vacation. So the best solution, I beg, make they pack the news, keep them for school there. Maybe they get hosted. If not the isolation, I go turn that place, make everybody collect treatment. Make na test them, then find the ones we no get. Na fit tell them, so yeah, they go your house. But the one we no get, the one we can't get, now go carry them, go give them the necessary things where they need. Be na treatment, be na waiting. Cause this one, and in fact, this whole thing, I no one know as I want to talk. Because now when I go talk say corona day, now when I go still talk say corona day, but as you gather they say the third wave of corona virus, I don't know be na third wave, na which wave, it don't they come. So I beg my people, make na dey very careful. Nose mask, make na dey wear am. Sanitizer, make na buy and put one because now it be like say this thing don't dey increase. So not be about mouth, they just they talk and share. It be like say the thing don't enter Nigeria again and it don't dey increase. So I beg those of now where they watch me, I beg make na dey very safe, make na take the precautions, the COVID precautions, make I take and careful. I hear this one, I can't make I bring and come, make na service na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything you feel about this whole matter, what I just hear now, make no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.